because it's like the truck got a new piece of jewelry. So let's take a look. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to one big garage. We got these parking lights back from powder coating and they look absolutely amazing. And now we have to figure out how to put these rivets through the new lenses. And since I have all my riveting tools, and since I have all my riveting tools at work, I think these will do the trick. We're gonna try. Change plans. We're not going to rivet them together. Talking to a few guys about the riveting and the trying to peen over that little end. A lot of guys actually don't rivet them. They just screw them back together, because when they've tried to peen or squish that rivet together, it actually ends up breaking the plastic, and that's the last thing I want to do. We're going to take them in good shape right now, take them home, and we'll end up screwing them together. I think that's a safer alternative, and if we use some stainless hardware, I think it'll still look pretty good. So that's the end of the work day. Now let's head home. Welcome back to the garage. Like I said yesterday, we're in a new day. I got a new plan for these, and we're actually going to use some stainless steel screws that I got for another project a long time ago. So we got some screws and washers and lock washers, and I think I'm going to put a thin layer of silicone around this edge. Then we can put the gasket on, put another thin layer, then put the lens on, just to make sure that all the moisture stays out of these and they stay looking absolutely incredible, just like Jay at Powderworks did, because these look absolutely phenomenal. I can't say it enough. I can't believe how well these turned out. Silicone won't stick to this foam pad or whatever's on here, so I just put a thin layer in between the gasket and the metal, and then we'll put the lens on and bolt it down. Voila! Sitting in there nicely. Those look amazing. I love the clear lenses. And now we just need to get an orange bulb so that they can still signal orange. I got the lenses from LMC. They were the only place that I could find them online that also had them in stock. Everywhere else carried the orange ones, and even those weren't in stock. Are you guys ready to see what I did with the front grille? I kind of have it set up on the bench over here, mocked up a little bit with the clear reflectors, parking lights behind it, and this might not be everybody's taste, or this might not be what anyone else will like, but I really like it. I like what I've done so far, and the vision in my head of what I thought about it's going to look like, it's coming true. So without further ado, I think I've made you guys wait long enough. Here is the front grille that Powderworks did an absolutely phenomenal job. He killed it. He crushed it. And I'm sorry to Jay, if you're watching this, I apologize for how much work was involved in getting it to this point, but you truly are amazing and did an absolutely phenomenal job, and I cannot thank you enough, because you've turned my vision into reality. And I can't wait to see this on the truck out in the sunlight, because it's like the truck got a new piece of jewelry. So let's take a look. Powder coated Porsche silver with a satin clear coat. It looks absolutely amazing. There's the clear reflectors. Obviously no screws in them yet. What do you guys think? Did I make the right choice? Did I make the right decision? It looks so incredible. And he also did the headlight bezels. I think these headlight bezels with the new headlights is going to look amazing. I cannot wait to get this on the truck. I'm so pumped. So now I'm gonna get the front bumper brackets. We'll get those all painted up. I'm just going to use some black flat trim clad. This will be good just to be in behind the new bumper and keep it from rusting. I did sandblast everything, get it all cleaned up so that the paint will all stick really well. So let's get this sprayed, and while it's drying, we're gonna do some sanding and get this rocker all finished up. We get them all sprayed. I did some sanding to the rockers. Got a lot more to go. I gotta put down another skim coat of Bondo and just make sure everything's really smooth, and it's gonna look like glass once it's painted, because I want it to look perfect, and I want to do this once right the first time, and that's it. So I'm gonna take my time, keep working on that rocker. We also have to get a skim coat put on this rocker, just in a few places, and then I started just sanding a little bit, and you can see we got a little bit of a skim coat to put here, just to smooth out these areas, so that when they're painted, they are not going to look all ripply, and it's going to look like glass when the entire truck is painted. I just dropped a poll on Instagram asking, what do you guys think we should do with the wheels? Should we keep them black? Should we go white? Should we go black with a chrome center cap and then a chrome beauty ring? Or should we go black in the center and then white on the outside, so that it kind of gives the look that it's got white walls on the truck? Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think we should do with the wheels. But I'm gonna end the vlog here today, go inside, make some supper. Big moves today, got a lot of parts back. I'm getting super excited to get the truck going, and who knows, we might have it back on the road at some point this summer to at least put a few miles on it and see how the engine's running, the transmission, and get out there, show it off a little bit. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.